Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we are going to talk about you get captured while you are watching a match or maybe a IPL match, maybe a rugby match or maybe basketball match, and you get captured on the big screen, and depending on the people that you are capturing, different things you can do. So let me show you an example here. So this is one example you can see here as well. So this is using Kling 3.0. Now let me show you a Seedance 2.0 example. I cannot use Sachin Tendulkar in Seedance 2.0 because he's a celebrity. So I created basically myself and my wife basically forming a heart shape. So let me show you that as well.
Oh, and here we have a beautiful moment on the crowd cam. A lovely couple, and they're forming a heart. How sweet! How sweet!
So you can see this is how it is looking. Currently it's low quality because I have rendered it in 720p, but you can definitely do for 1080p as well. So now let's start how you can actually create this. So for that I'm going to use Higgsfield, but you can use the Google Flow or Gemini or ChatGPT Image to create the basic image. But I'm going to use Higgsfield here. So let's just go to images, and here you can see I have already created this images, and I'm going to provide you the prompt as well, which will be basically this prompt, IPL prompt, and I'm going to copy this prompt and you can adjust it according to your need. I am going to show you how actually you can do it. So let's just go to Perplexity. You can use Claude, you can use ChatGPT, you can use Gemini, but I'm using Perplexity because I have a pro subscription and I have all these models here. So now I'm going to tell here, I'm first going to upload two images that I want my character basically to have. So I'm going to go this time for myself and sitting with MS Dhoni. So I'm going to tell here, I am sitting with. So let's just start with a great prompt. Image 1 is sitting with image 2 and both are wearing casual t-shirt and jeans, and they are captured on big screen while watching IPL match. And now I'm going to give it a prompt. Now I am going to give you a example prompt and you will give me new prompt for the scenario I mentioned. And yes, you need to write one more thing and make sure IPL data is accurate. And let's just paste the sample prompt here. Okay, so we are just going to paste it here. So I'm just going to press Ctrl V and you can see here. And now I'm going to click on run here. So this is how you can actually create your own prompt for IPL setting or for maybe a NBA match or maybe a, let's say, basketball match or baseball match, whichever you want, or a football match. You can do lots of things that way. So you can see here we have this, and what we can do, we can just copy this here. Now just make sure that image 1 is an Indian man, rectangular gray brown glasses. So image 1 is me and image 2 is well-known Indian man. So again image 2 is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. So let's start here. Now I'm going to upload both images here. So I'm going to go to downloads here, and first I will upload my image, then I will upload Mahendra Singh Dhoni's image, and now I'm going to type the prompt here. So basically copy and paste here. So you can see directly image 1 is me and image 2 is Mahendra Singh Dhoni. And now I'm going to change this to GPT image 2 because it gives me a really good result. So again, you can use ChatGPT images to create this image. And I'm going to go for 16:9 ratio. Again, you can go for 9:16 as well. And I'm going to generate two images here, and I'm going to take whichever I like the most. So let's just click on generate here. Once this is generated, I am again going to go to Perplexity. I'm going to provide the image that I have got, and I'm going to tell it that now I'm going to give you a prompt. I want you to create exactly prompt like that for this image. So this is how you can easily create lots of viral trending which is going on right now, big screen, and you can create your own. So let me just show you what I have done here. This is the same thing that I have done. So let me just show you the Sachin one which I showed you. So you can see it's the same thing. Image 1 is me, image 2 is Sachin Tendulkar here, and here image 1 is me and image 2 is my wife. So again you can describe the clothes as well, that how clothes, which clothes they are wearing. So here if I show you here, you can see I have written here is a young Indian ma'am, rectangular full trim designer graphic t-shirt. So you can say it's a designer graphic t-shirt, and my wife is basically wearing a one piece dress. So you can see this is the dress, and in the second image that I got, I didn't change that prompt for my wife dress. So you can say it adopted the dress that was in the reference image. So that's a really good thing. And now you can see it's done, but you can see I am wearing this shirt here, so I can change it here. So let me show you how you can actually do it. Light gray checkered casual t-shirt. So you can see it's basically casual t-shirt. So I can just basically type here designer t-shirt. So you can see we are now going to get designer t-shirt and blue jeans, and image 2 we are going to get this. So you can see packed two people exactly same as upload reference image, two people exactly except ex, except cloth clothing. Okay, and then you can again generate the images. So now you are going to get a better result. So guys, you need to generate like 2 to 3 images to get a really good result. So you can see this is a really good result. This is resembling me and Mahendra Singh Dhoni really good, and you can actually see the result. Now you can go for a VIP scan as well. It depends on to you, but let me show you how actually you can animate this image out. So let's just wait for this two images to generate here, and same way you can have any celebrity, any people that you want, any scenario that you want. You just need to update here. So you need to tell I want both of them sitting in a, let's say, Wimbledon match which is in London. So it is going to give like that. So you need to be creative on what exactly you want. I'm going to go for this image here. I'm just going to click on copy image here, and I'm going to go here, paste this image. This is what I got. Now I am going to share you a image to video prompt example, and you are going to give me exactly like that prompt structure for my image which I have uploaded. Now you guys need to tell that what exactly you want. Both are watching the match, then they look into the camera, smiling, subtle smile, subtle smile, and then wave at the crowd like a celebrity. So you can do like that. Again, it is going to basically revise this, and now we need to paste the example prompt here which I have given here as well. So let's just copy it here. So here it is, and this is for Seedance which I showed you of me and my wife. So you can actually do this as well. So I'm just going to Control C and Control V and press enter. So now it is going to create a new prompt according to this, and I'm going to use Kling for this because again I'm using MS Dhoni, so it is not going to be eligible. But you can see I'm getting this result. So again I need to play with the prompt that I'm getting, the clothes that I am wearing I want to change. So it will change, but you can definitely try with the prompt that I have given you here, and you can use it and it is going to give you a great result. So you can actually tweak it here and it is going to work. Don't worry about that. It sometimes happens. So you need to generate lots of images. You can do the same thing here with Nano Banana as well. Let me just show you. So I'm just going to click on reuse, and here you can see two people exactly same. Okay, and you can hear exactly same as uploaded reference images, but change the clothes, and you can write here like this. And let's just do Nano Banana 2, and let's just see how we are getting this result here, and let's just click on generate. So let's just check this out. Until then we have got this prompt, and just read it out, guys, what actually is going. So animate directly from the reference image. A nearby fan in here taps the left man glasses towards the giant stadium. Okay, this is looking nice, and you can see still grinning. Both men simultaneously raises their right hands and wave the camera like celebrities. Okay, so this is looking nice, and we can just copy this here. I'm going to click on the image that I like the most, which is this one, and I'm going to click on animate here. So again, if you are having a celebrity, Seedance is not going to work. So you need to use Kling here, because if you click on Seedance here, it is going to verify the image, and once you click on verification of check eligibility, it is going to reject, which was done here as well. You can say it's not eligible. So I am pretty sure this is also not going to be eligible. So that's why I switched to Kling here. Again, I'm going to provide it a start frame here, because you need to give it a start frame to work. So again, what you can do, just go to image, just click on the image that you like, which is here, and we are directly going to click on animate, and you can see here, and I'm going to paste the prompt. And here I'm going to make sure that Kling is selected, and I'm going to go for 1080p 15 seconds. Again, you can go for 10 seconds as well, depending on what timing you have here. So you can say it's basically 8 seconds. So let's just do here 10 seconds around, and you can click on multi-shot if you want your shot to be multi, and just click on generate here, and it is going to say that prompt is too long. So now I'm going to tell here in Perplexity, give me the about prompt in 2000 characters, and just press enter, and it is going to give you the prompt which is around 2000 characters. Okay, so this is how basically you work with your own creativity. You just need a base prompt, which is I am going to provide that in the description. So check out the description for the Word file, and again you can create your own style, own video, own image according to your requirement. And now I'm going to click on generate here. So the video is now rendered here. Let me show you how exactly it is looking. So I am also going to play with you guys. So I haven't seen it yet. Let's just see. Okay, you can see there is a lot of distortion here. You can see here why it is happening, because it's zooming out pretty fast here. So we need to basically retweak the prompt here, that okay, they are just seeing and just waving gently. I don't want fast movements, and you can do that as well, and you are going to get a really good result. And let me show you the image as well that I have generated here. So now you can see I have just changed one thing, which is basically this thing here. Change the clothes here, and I have written here as well, Pack Stadium uploaded reference image, but change the clothes. So now they have changed the cloth here. Basically, I have changed the cloth, and you can tell here this is my new image. So let's just click on copy image. Again, same thing, just paste it here, and you can directly write, give me Kling 3 prompt to animate this image in 8 seconds, and just press enter, and it is going to give you a 8-second Kling prompt to create this animation. And you can see both remain seated in yellow VIP seat exactly as shown. Subtle life added to the still natural breathing. Slide out, notices something exciting on the pitch, leans slightly forward. So you can see turn faces towards the camera with relaxed confident smile. This is looking really good. So let's just try this out as well. I'm going to show you this result as well. So it's all about basically working out what you want, and it is going to look good or bad depending on what you are creating. So I'm just going to do like 8 here, and I'm going to be back once this is also done. So the video is now rendered. Let me just play with you guys as well. I haven't seen it yet. Okay, so you can see this is much better, really good. This was like 40 to 50%, then this is around 80 to 90%, which is really great. So this is how easily you can get all this stuff here, which is looking nice. And you can see this is feeling really good, and it does feel realistic. You can add like grain and all that effects in post processing, and you can post it online on Instagram, Twitter, and you can get some really good followers as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. Again, I'm going to link the doc file in the description, so you can directly copy and paste and create your own prompts. Don't just copy and paste, create your own. Try to be creative, because after all we are creative people. So just try to be creative and think of something new, and this prompt structure will help you with that as well. So I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you like this video, please press that like button. If you are new to this channel, subscribe to my channel. I will see you next time. Till then, bye bye guys, take care.